name's Dan Griffin. I'm the driver and engineer for the Solid State Logic demo truck.
The Carolina School of Broadcasting hosted the Solid State Logic demo truck, giving students a first-hand demo of high-end audio mixing equipment. Their mixing boards are featured on college campuses, TV and radio stations all over the country, as well as the studios of Saturday Night Live. If audio and video pique your interest, then the Carolina School of Broadcasting is the place for you.